morning, students. In this video, we are going to discuss second method of calculation of goodwill, that is super profit method. Super profit means excess profit. So how we will calculate goodwill according to this method? Again, step 1 is average profit. All of us calculate average profit after all adjustments. Adjustments we have already discussed. Abnormal gain should be less, abnormal loss should be add, depreciation will be add or less according to situation, remuneration if given to partners or manager then it should be less. So all adjustments. And average profit we know how to calculate. If many years profit are given then they should be added. In between, if there is any loss, then it should be deducted. Then divide the total of the years of profit divide by number of years. So in this way, first step is calculate average profit. Second step, you have to calculate capital employed or average capital employed or capital invested. All are same. It can be given in question, then it's well and good. If not given in question, then we will calculate it by assets minus liability. Sometimes creditors are given, so creditors are liability. So assets minus creditors or asset minus liability meaning is same. Or sometimes assets are also not given and capital invested is also not given in question. Then capital accounts are there. So we should add partners capital. If current account is there, then it should be added plus reserve. So partners capital plus partners current account plus reserve. So by these all three methods we can calculate capital invested. So it depends on question whether it is given or asset liability given or capital accounts are given. Answer will be same in three cases. Next we have normal profit. How it will be calculated? Capital invested multiply rate upon 100, rate which is given in question. First step is super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. As I told you, super profit means excess profit. So average minus normal, excess of normal. So goodwill is equal to super profit multiply number of years purchase. Previously goodwill is equal to average profit into number of purchase. Now it will be super profit into number of purchase. Now we have an example in illustration number 10. For example, average profit given in question 70,000 plus remuneration which should be given now. So it should be abnormal profit is given, so it should be less. So 70 minus 5, average profit after all adjustment, there is no other adjustment, 65. As there is a single profit given, so no need to divide it by number of years. If many years profit are given, then we should divide. Next, capital invested, which is given in question 5,50,000. Third step is normal profit, that is capital invested into rate by 100. That means 55,000. Fourth step is super profit. How it will be calculated? Average minus normal. So average is 65. Normal is 55. So super is equal to 10,000. At last, goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit multiply number of year purchase. Super profit comes 10,000 multiply number of years purchase given in question, that are 4. So 10,000 multiply 4, 40,000 will be the answer. Now it can be opposite also. How it come? For example, goodwill is given in question and you have to calculate average profit or capital invested or normal profit. Anything can be given in question. It depends on question. So we just come from last step to first step. Again I am giving you an example. If goodwill is given in question, you just don't have to do anything extra. Just reverse the steps. If goodwill is given, so write down goodwill is equal to, because according to super profit method given in question, so goodwill is equal to super profit multiply number of years purchase. So goodwill given in question in illustration number 16, 36,000. Super profit we don't know, we have to calculate. Number of years purchase, they are 3. So 36,000 divided by 3. Super profit will be 12,000. Next we have, as we know, super profit is equal to average minus normal. So At last we have to calculate average. So all of us, we have to calculate normal profit. How it will be calculated? For normal profit we need capital invested. So firstly we have to calculate capital employed or capital invested. Assets and creditors are given in question. Assets are of 2 lakh and creditors are of 10,000. So capital invested will be equal to 190. In spite of asset and liability, partners' capital and reserves are also given in question. So we can verify whether our capital invested is right or wrong. Partners' capital given in question 1,60,000 plus reserve 30. Again it will be 190. So we can calculate capital by any one method. So I just make both methods so that you can understand that capital invested remains same in all cases. Next we have normal profit. As we know, normal profit is equal to capital invested multiply rate by 100. So capital invested given in question 1,90,000. Rate given in question 15%. So normal profit comes 28,500. So but previously we have super profit. So we will put the formula of super profit. As we know, super profit is equal to average minus normal. Super profit given we have calculated 12,000, average we have to calculate it, and normal profit 28,500. Just put it, when it comes on this side 12,000 plus 28,500, so it will be 40,500. So at last we can calculate average profit. So question can be comes in both ways, whether you have to calculate goodwill or you have to calculate average profit with goodwill. Thank you.